This is 2.5 kilometers. Laki ng mga pylons, oh. Hindi na rin yung ano to, expertise ng mga Chinese here, no, in building bridges, because I read somewhere that if you total all the highways, it's all bridges built by China, that would even exceed the total highways and bridges by all other countries in the world combined. Ang ganun ka-massive infrastructure spending ng China. Of course, this helps a lot also sa local, no, yung bridging yung territory ng Croatia from one region to another region.